Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Do you have a 64 to 67 A-body and want to easily stiffen the front end of your vehicle? We have the solution for you. So this is a frame rail brace kit for the 64 to 67 Chevelles, Malibus, Cutlasses. And it's a very easy install. What you do is you loosen up your sway bar and drop it down, slide this in where your sway bar goes underneath your brackets, and then use the existing hardware to torque that back down, and it effectively stiffens the front end of your vehicle without any major modifications. So we have this frame rail brace as well as a few others for different applications. So if you want to find out more about these products, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.